Unboxing iPhone watch. Ayan. The strap. And the watch. And this one is the charger. Yeah.
Daddy,
Like that. Yeah, like that.
Daddy, you're pooping.
And ilagay natin.
More. My phone's whooping, Daddy.
So,
Daddy, I'm looking at my
ganyan siya,
phone.
guys.
Okay.
Shh! Can you stop screaming? And ito yung kanyang handle. This one. So, gonna put this one. Ganyan siya pagkalagay. And the other side also is so here it is. And try natin sa ating wrist. Purple sana yung gusto ko, pero wala silang purple, so navy blue itong nakuha ko. Oh my god, hirap. So that's it. Here we go. Yan. So bago natin gamitin, kailangan natin i-connect sa ating phone, kasi yung phone ko is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So kailangan kong i-connect dito sa Apple Watch kasi magka-pair ang mga yon. Magka-pair yon. I like purple pero wala silang purple, kaya ito na lang navy blue ang kinuha ko.